The land along Patagonia's eastern coast is barren. But the sea is rich with life. The Andes cut through Patagonia, blocking moist air flowing from the Pacific, creating the 8th largest desert in the world. But off the Atlantic coast, a cold southern current mixes with a warmer Brazilian one, producing the perfect conditions for marine life. On land, a wild patchwork of desolate beaches, rocky outcrops, and towering cliffs overlook one of the most important marine reserves on the planet. The top predator patrolling these waters, orca. Also known as killer whales, the largest members of the dolphin family. This pod of 10 is a close-knit group that will stay together their entire lives. The leader of this family is wise old grandma, known as Maga. It's high tide, and the 40-year-old matriarch leads her family towards shore. Their target? Unsuspecting seals and sea lion pups. But how to get to them on the beach? The family has perfected an ingenious way to hunt here. First, they swim sideways to hide their telltale dorsal fins. The seals have no idea that these 6-ton killers are so close. Then the orca do something extraordinary. They beach themselves. It's a remarkable technique. Beaches are death traps for whales and dolphins. It's too easy to get stranded. But not for this family. They've learned how to expertly maneuver back into the sea. Maga and her pod are one of only 2 orca families in the world known to pull off this dangerous feat.